SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram. Or so they by and large thought. SLP by and large faces opposition at $0.003 in a very significant manner. Smooth Love Elixir certainly is buy esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the truly bears most certainly has been laid out at $0.003.20 when August 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through exceptionally smooth love mixture cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now. And most certainly attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what in every practical sense is especially transient cost expectation for truly smooth love elixir. Sort of is SLP a sort of wise speculation, which generally is genuinely huge. Smooth love mixture support and opposition levels and so on, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. However, prior to plunging pretty profound into the SLP specialized examination, by and large, let us generally discuss the sort of current economic situations, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters whole digital currency market to $1,047,585,515,720 in an especially enormous manner. The especially all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $28,364,522,647, which in every practical sense is very critical. Bitcoin shares 48.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, which generally is very critical, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,002.62 level after a decay of 0.24% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value lessening of 0.53%. Coming to $1,660.19 during the past 24 hours, so SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph in a genuinely significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $208.18 following a value change of 3.65% within a similar time span, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. XRP, the local coin of XRP, most certainly is somewhere near 4.6 and right now exchanging at 51 cents. Showing how pretty smooth love mixture sort of is, as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the truly bears really has been laid out at $0.003.20 when August 2023. In this video, we will in every practical sense walk you through truly smooth love elixir cost examination for now or for all things considered, 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly explicitly sought clarification on some things, facts. What fundamentally is transient cost expectation for kind of smooth love mixture? By and large is SLP a kind of wise speculation, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which certainly shows what most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $26,002.62 level after a downfall of 0.24%. Or so they sort of thought. These occasions really demonstrate that the market truly is going in a really descending bearing for exceptionally transient in an unpretentious manner. Right now, a kind of broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So the truly all-out exchanging volume, all things considered, remains at $28,364,522,647 in an essentially significant way. Smooth love mixture backing and opposition backing and obstruction certainly are significant specialized markers used to in every way that really matters distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, so which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,002.62 level after a decay of 0.24%, or so they for the most part thought. Support especially is a level at which purchasers essentially become commonly more genuinely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which most certainly shows that SLP fundamentally faces opposition at $0.003, or so they most certainly thought. Similarly, opposition by and large is a level at which dealers especially become move commonly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,002.62 level after a decay of 0.24% in a kind of huge manner. Following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of commonly smooth love elixir, SLP, kind of smooth love mixture execution. The everyday outline of really smooth love elixir especially shows that the SLP cost in a real sense has a really descending development with a 1.18% lessening in kind of beyond 24 hours, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a value reduction of 0.53%. Coming to $1,660.19 during the past 24 hours, so SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in a sort of significant manner. The value worth of the in every way that really matters, smooth love mixture, SLP coin certainly is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, which especially is very critical. SLP cost changes 4.08% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume truly is drifting around $10,395,115 United States dollars, or so they for the most part thought. Smooth love mixture value examination SLP cost investigation for 21 August 2023, inside a very day-to-day time span, generally made sense of beneath in an unpretentious manner. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including sort of basic moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, to basically examine the future development of the extremely smooth love mixture, which especially shows that truly smooth love elixir backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized markers used to recognize truly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, so which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,002.62 level after a decay of 0.24% in an exceptionally huge manner. The truly relative strength list, RSI, shows that the SLP coin sort of is close oversold zone, as RSI for the most part is at 34, exhibiting how the essentially relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the SLP coin for the most part is close oversold zone, as RSI especially is at 34, or so they in every practical sense thought. The MACD line most certainly is remaining underneath of the in every practical sense signal line after a hybrid, showing that smooth love elixir support and opposition levels and so forth, which really is genuinely critical. Smooth love mixture financial backers need to in a real sense sit tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day outline, truly further appearance.